In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page in Weebly in just 5 minutes. We'll go through each step clearly and concisely, ensuring you can follow along effortlessly, even if you're new to Weebly. So let's jump right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Weebly's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.weebly.com. Once you're on the home page, it's time to log in. Click on the login button at the top right corner. You'll be directed to a page where you enter your email and password associated with your Weebly account. If you haven't created an account yet, you might want to take a moment to sign up. It's pretty straightforward. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Weebly dashboard. Here you'll find an overview of your sites. What you want to do next is navigate to the overview section. You'll find this option in your menu. Go ahead and click on it. This brings us to the editing phase of our process. Find and click on the Edit Site button. This action will take you into the Weebly site editor. Inside the editor, focus your attention on the menu on the left side of the screen and look for the Pages option. Clicking on this will take you to a list of the pages already on your site. To add a new one, look for the plus icon. It's usually at the top of the Pages menu. Clicking it reveals options to add different types of pages. For our purpose today, select Standard Page. This template provides a blank page that you can customize according to your needs. Once you've selected the Standard Page option, you'll need to name the new page. In the designated field, type Login as the name for this new page. This name is what will appear in your site's navigation, so make sure it's clear to your users. After entering the name, look for the Done button, typically towards the lower corner of the page settings panel. Click it to save your changes. Congratulations, you now have a login page on your site. However, there's one more crucial step to make it functional. Navigate back to the main menu in the editor and click on Settings. Once there, select the Members tab. This is where you configure access for your visitors. Locate the option that allows you to show a login form on your site and check that box. This small action enables the login page functionality, allowing users to log into your site. And there you have it. Now your Weebly site is equipped with a functioning login page. Feel free to explore other features Weebly offers, but for now you've successfully added an important page to enhance your site. Thanks for watching and happy website building.